As it turns out, my vitality videos are my most popular videos ever, and YouTube keeps hinting that I should make more of them. So you guessed it, it's time for a new 2021 Vitality update. In this video, I'll show you how to hack your Vitality health insurance to get more than what you put in. Sounds too good to be true? Keep watching. And in case you missed my previous Vitality videos, make sure you check my playlist, which will be linked at the end of the video as well as in the description below. So, Vitality is an insurance company. It originally started as a health and life insurance, but have since expanded into other areas such as car insurance and finance. Indeed, back in 2019, when I did my first Vitality video, there were only health insurance and life insurance on offer. And back then, the benefits, or rather the reward system, were very generous, perhaps a little too generous. And what I mean by that is, if you were smart enough about earning your points, you could easily reap more benefits than it cost you to pay for the insurance. This meant that for some people, they were profiting from the system. I predicted back then that this business model simply could not survive at this rate, and they would have to either scale back on their rewards or increase what they charge. And it turns out that's what they did the following year. Some of the really nice benefits which were cut out was a free Starbucks coffee and a Cineworld or View cinema ticket every week, provided you get 12 points. In 2020, they replaced Starbucks with Cafe Nero, and you only got a cinema ticket every 2 weeks for twice as many points, that is 24 points. And in 2021, you need 48 points over the month to get you one cinema ticket. So yes, this is a downer, but some new benefits have been added as well, and if you're active, you can still get a lot for your money. So let's take a look at the rewards. First, let's quickly go over the point system on which Vitality operates. Basically, with Vitality, you get points for being healthy. And you can be healthy by moving more through exercise and activities. A gym session or home workout or hitting your steps, for example, will earn you points every time. Your medical checkups and self-assessment health questions will also give you one-off points. Your active points give you active rewards such as Cafe Nero coffee and cinema tickets. All the points, including the non-active points, go towards a member status, which ranges from bronze, silver, gold and platinum. Some rewards are based on membership status, like Expedia, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, as well as discounts at Waitrose. So you get the idea, the more points you get, the better rewards you get. And if you're really active, these can really stack up. Let's take the Apple Watch reward for example. In 2021, with Vitality, you can get an Apple Watch 6 series for an upfront payment of £37. Then over the next 3 years, you'll have a direct debit setup to take monthly payments. If you're very active, you'll pay nothing and effectively get the watch almost for free, because remember we have an upfront cost of £37. On the other hand, if you're a couch potato, you would pay £9.50 a month, which is exactly what you would have paid for the watch on the market anyway. How do I know this? Let's do some quick arithmetic. So £37 upfront plus £9.50 for 36 months works out £379, which is exactly what they retail for on the Apple website. So the Series 6 watch costs £379, as you can see. And yes, I know you can get them slightly cheaper on Amazon, but that's not the point I'm making here. Depending on how many active points you earn a week, you pay something between £0 and £9.50 a month, as you can see from here. As you've gathered, this makes sense if you're planning on buying an Apple Watch anyway, as you can get a huge discount at best, and at the very worst, it costs you nothing more than what you would have paid on Apple Store anyway. Other benefits worth highlighting is the 50% discount on your membership with Nuffield Health, David Lloyd Clubs or Virgin Active. That's at least £50 a month of savings per member. And remember, each gym workout would earn you 5 active points up to a maximum of 35 points a week. You also get lots of fitness gear at a heavy discount from 40% off Garmin, Polar, Samsung and other activity trackers. And if you're feeling stressed, Vitality gives you an annual membership for Headspace worth around £80, all that for free. And every time you meditate, you earn 3 points, as this counts towards your mental health. I used to get Headspace outside of Vitality, so it made sense for me to claim it through Vitality instead, so that's a saving there for me. Another one of my favorites is Rakuten TV. Every 12 active points earns you a redemption code to watch movies online. You can claim these codes against movies up to the value of £4.99 last time I checked. This means that some of the super recent movies will probably not be eligible because they usually cost a bit more, but you still get some pretty decent titles to watch. So how much does Vitality Health Insurance cost? Well, unfortunately you will need a specific quote based on your circumstances, but I can tell you how much I pay. My plan, which covers 2 adults, costs £56 a month. Now if you do the math, you can easily get more than £56 of benefits, but only if you're very active. So for example, if a couple earns 40 points a week each, which totals 160 a month, you get a cinema ticket worth £15 per person for a total of £30 a month. And say a weekly coffee worth £5 per person per week for a total of £40 per month. The Rakuten TV codes worth £5 per household per week for a total of £20 a month. And now if you add the Apple Watch discount, that's worth £9.50 per month. And in my case there are further benefits like the gym membership discount, which is about £50 per person, and that's for a total of £100. Now if you add these all up, I get a benefit of about £200 per month, and that's for a payment of £56. But surely there's a catch, right? And here it is. 40 points a week consistently isn't easy. It's not very hard, but I can assure you most people won't get anywhere near 160 points a month. So 40 points, that's 12,500 steps 5 days a week. Or 5 gym visits plus 1 step count of 10,000 steps every week. And you've got to do that consistently every week. It's not impossible, but in a world where many people are busy, it's surprisingly harder to be consistent than you think. But even if you hit half of those targets, which sounds more reasonable, then it's still worth it. And the bonus, you get health insurance coverage. Isn't that a good deal? Well, I think so, which is why I've been a member for over 3 years now. And if you're thinking of getting Vitality insurance, please use my referral link in the description below, because that means both you and I get a £100 voucher for Amazon or John Lewis. I mean, who doesn't like free money? And this voucher gives you a nice income boost. See what I did there? So there you have it, Vitality Health Insurance 2021. By being smart and active, you can get a really good deal out of it. That's it from me for this week. If you enjoy tips on how to save money or increase your wealth, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.